Kandahar is a city in Afghanistan, located in the south of the country on the Kandahar River, at an elevation of 1010 meters. It is Afghanistan's second largest city after Kabul, with a population of about 614,118. It is the capital of Kandahar province and also the center of the larger cultural region called Loy Kandahar. In 1709, Mirwais Hotik made the region an independent kingdom and turned Kandahar into the capital of the Hotik dynasty. In 1747, Ahmad Shah Durrani, founder of the Durrani dynasty, made Kandahar the capital of the Afghan Empire. Kandahar is one of the most culturally significant cities of the Pashtuns and has been their traditional seat of power for more than 300 years. It is a major trading center for sheep, wool, cotton, silk, felt, food grains, fresh and dried fruit, and tobacco. The region produces fine fruits, especially pomegranates and grapes, and the city has plants for canning, drying, and packing fruit, and is a major source of marijuana and hashish. The region around Kandahar is one of the oldest known human settlements. A major fortified city existed at the site of Kandahar, probably as early as c. 1000 to 750 BC, and it became an important outpost of the Achaemenid Empire in the 6th century BC. Alexander the Great had laid out the foundation of what is now Old Kandahar in the 4th century BC, and gave it the ancient Greek name Alexandria a Rachosias. Many empires have long fought over the city due to its strategic location along the trade routes of southern, central and western Asia. The city was founded by Alexander the Great in 330 BC, who named it Alexandria in Arachosia, which was the recorded name for this city until the Islamic conquest. It is suggested that the name Kandahar evolved from Iskander, pronounced as Skander, in the local dialect version of the name Alexander. The change of the name from Skander to Kandahar is mentioned by the 15th century Portuguese historian João de Barros in his most famous Décadas da Ásia. Quote, "Those who go from Persia, from the kingdom of Horikam, from Bukhara, and all the western regions, travel to the city which the natives corruptly call Kandahar, instead of Skander, the name by which the Persians call Alexander." A folk etymology offered is that the word Kand or Qand in Persian and Pashto means candy. The name Kandahar or Kandahar in this form probably translates to candy area. This probably has to do with the location being fertile and historically known for producing fine grapes, pomegranates, apricots, melons and other sweet fruits. Ernst Hersfeld claimed Kandahar perpetuated the name of the Indo-Parthian king Gondophares, who refounded the city under the name Gundopharan. An alternative etymology derives the name of the city from Gandhara, the name of an ancient Hindu-Buddhist kingdom located between the Kunar River and Indus River, centered on the Peshawar Valley, although Kandahar is not in the former territory of Gandhara. Excavations of prehistoric sites by archaeologists such as Louis Dupree and others suggest that the region around Kandahar is one of the oldest human settlements known so far. Early peasant farming villages came into existence in Afghanistan ca. 5000 BC, or 7000 years ago. De Murasi Ghundai, the first prehistoric site to be excavated in Afghanistan, lies 27 kilometers. 2nd millennium BC Bronze Age pottery, copper and bronze horse trappings and stone seals were found in the lowermost levels in the nearby cave called Shamshir Ghar, in the Siastan, southwest of these Kandahar sites. Two teams of American archaeologists discovered sites relating to the 2nd millennium BC. Stylistically, the finds from De Murasi and Said Kala tie in with those of pre-Indus Valley sites, and with those of comparable age on the Iranian plateau and in Central Asia, indicating cultural contacts during this very early age. British excavations in the 1970s discovered that Kandahar existed as a large fortified city during the early 1st millennium BCE. While this earliest period at Kandahar has not been precisely dated via radiocarbon, ceramic comparisons with the latest period at the major Bronze Age city of Mundigak have suggested an approximate time frame of 1000 to 750 BCE. This fortified city became an important outpost of the Achaemenid Empire in the 6th to 4th centuries BCE, and formed part of the province of Arachosia. The now old Kandahar was founded in 330 BC by Alexander the Great, near the site of the ancient city of Mundigek. Mundigek served as the provincial capital of Arachosia and was ruled by the Medes followed by the Achaemenids until the arrival of the Greeks from Macedonia. The main inhabitants of Arachosia were the Pakhtas, an ancient Indo-Iranian tribe, who may be among the ancestors of today's Pashtuns. Kandahar was named Alexandria, a name given to cities that Alexander founded during his conquests. Kandahar has been a frequent target for conquest because of its strategic location in Asia. Control.